Dear students, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also fine. Many days have passed since we met last. Okay, how time does fly. Today I am going to discuss about appreciating short story or poem, which is uh, found in first paper number 11, question number 11. So, before going through the poem, we should discuss about theme. Actually, what is theme? Definition of theme. Theme is the main idea of the poem, which is described directly or indirectly, and we find two themes in a poem. One is major and the another minor. After going through the poem, we clearly know the actual theme of that poem. Actually, it depends on the thoughts of the poet. Okay, so you should listen the uh, poem attentively, and then we will discuss about theme. Let's go through the poem. Okay, dear students, uh, there are lots of poems in our textbook, especially question number 10, but one of them a very important and very important poem I will discuss. Okay, okay. The name of the poem, Time You Old Gypsy Man, Ralph Hodgson, written by. Time, you old gypsy man, will you not stay? Put up your caravan just for a day. All things I'll give you. Will you be my guest? Bells for your jennet, of silver the best. Goldsmiths shall beat you a golden ring. Peacocks shall bow to you. Little boys sing. Oh, and sweet girl, will festoon you with May. Time, you old gypsy, why hasten away? Last week in Babylon, last night in Rome, morning and in the crash under Paul's storm. Under Paul's dial, you tighten your rein, only a moment, and up once again. Up to some city now blind to the home, up to another, and that's the tom. Time, you old gypsy man, will you not stay? Put up your caravan just for a day? Dear students, I have already gone through the poem, and now we should make clear in Bengali meaning of this poem. Actually, the poet of this poem uh, uh, offers time to be his friend and stay some for some times. সময় তুমি বৃদ্ধ যাযাবর, তুমি কি থামবে না? তুমি কি তোমার গাড়িটিকে মাত্র একদিনের জন্য থামাবে না? আমি তোমাকে সব কিছু দিব। তুমি কি আমার অতিথি হবে? আমি তোমার ঘোড়ার জন্য সর্বোৎকৃষ্ট রূপার ঘণ্টা দিব। স্বর্ণকারেরা তোমাকে একটি স্বর্ণের আংটি বানিয়ে দেবে। ময়ূরেরা তোমার প্রতি মাথা নত করে অভিবাদন জানাবে। ছোট্ট ছোট্ট বালকেরা স্মৃতি সূচক গান গাইবে। আহ, আর অতীত সুন্দরী মেয়েরা তোমাকে মে মাসের ফুল দিয়ে সজ্জিত করবে। সময়, তুমি বৃদ্ধ যাযাবর, কেন তুমি এত দ্রুত ধেয়ে চলো? গত সপ্তাহে ব্যাবিলনে, গত রাত্রে রোমে, সকালে আর পলের অট্টালিকার জনতার ভিড়ের মধ্যে। পলের ঘড়ির নিচে তুমি তোমার ঘোড়ার লাগাম এক মুহূর্তের জন্য কষে ধরেছিলে এবং আবার একবার ছেড়ে দিয়েছিলে, আর আবারও অন্য কোনো শহরে, যা এখন কালের গর্ভে হারিয়ে গেছে। তারপর অন্য শহরে এটির ধ্বংস হওয়া পর্যন্ত অবস্থান করো। তুমি কি থামবে না? মাত্র একদিনের জন্য তোমার গাড়িটি থামবে না? Dear students, this is the Bengali meaning of this poem, and this is very appealing, appealing tone of the poet. Now we uh, make clear about the theme in this poem. Actually, what is the theme of this poem? Here, the tireless, hasty movement. That means time is uh, going and going. It has no rest, is nicely depicted here for his movement. Time cannot compromise with any situation, has no scope to fulfill anybody's demand. It does not care for any alluring proposal. So, the poet again and again requested a time to stay for him, but time is here compared to actually our life, because man cannot live long, so time is compared to our life. Okay, thank you. I think that you are fully understand the theme, and my advice to you that you should stay at home and continue your study. Okay, dear students, see you again. Thank you.